Hey, it's been a while since you saw my face. I haven't been doing so great, so I took a little break. So a lot of people are saying some things about me that aren't quite true. Doesn't matter if it's true though, just as long as it's entertaining to you. Right? You guys having fun? All aboard the toxic gossip train. You're chugging down the tracks of misinformation. The toxic gossip train. You got a one-way ticket to the manipulation station. Toxic gossip train. Tie me to the tracks and harass me for my past. Cause rumors look like facts. If you don't mind the gaps, I won't survive in the crash. But hey, at least you're having fun. Hi everyone. I've been wanting to come online and talk to you about a few things. Even though my team has strongly advised me to not say what I want to say, I recently realized that they never said that I couldn't sing what I want to say. So here I am, and today I only want to talk about the facts. So I hope that you'll be willing to listen. Here we go. Many years ago, I used to message my fans, but not in a creepy way like a lot of you are trying to suggest. It was more of a loser kind of way, where I was just trying to be besties with everybody. It's kind of like when you go to like a family gathering, you know, when there's a weird aunt there who keeps coming up to you and going like, "Hey girl, what's the tea?" And like, that was me, doing group chats with my fans. It was weird. I've been sharing my life online for about 15 years. I've poured my heart out to you, and because of that I feel like I'm talking to my friends, but in the beginning of my career, I didn't really understand that maybe there should be some boundaries there. There were times in the DMs when I would overshare details of my life, which was really weird to me. I haven't done that for years, you see, because I changed my behavior and I took accountability. But that's not very interesting, is it? So let's go on the toxic gossip train. Locomotives fueled with hateful accusations. Toxic gossip train. Steamroll over someone's reputation. Toxic gossip train. Hop aboard, but close your eyes, otherwise you realize that the train is made of lies, and that person who decides maybe didn't deserve to die. But hey, at least you're having fun. In all seriousness, I do think it's really important to hold people accountable for their mistakes. You should hope that everyone can learn from their mistakes and grow and change their behavior and be that person. And this is something I always try to do when I make mistakes, and it's something that I continue to try to do. What? Oh, you don't care? Okay. That's all I need to take accountability. That's not the point of your mom mentality, is it? No. Your goal is to live life with the person you despise while you traumatize your lives and monetize their demise. I can already hear the cons on this video. She's gaslighting, manipulating, lust, and narcissist, a rat. I would never make a mistake like that. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't realize that all of you are perfect, so please criticize me. You're not dagger me from your perfect past. Stab me repeatedly in my bony little back. I'm sure you're disappointed in my shitty little song. I know you wanted me to say that I was 100% in the wrong. Well, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna take that route. I've been utilizing memories that you may have forgot. Hey everybody, I found someone new to talk about. She things that I do not like. Your past, everybody, I don't care about your attack. You're not so fast, no. You're going to make a lot of your fears like these. You don't need an armor when you have ice cream. Should be on a big bear. Reputation's deceased.